This is a hand. Now it can do more. Whoa. And of course, and also, not that long. Sleep. Wake up. Okay.
Hi Kickstarter, my name is Alfredo. This is my hand. And this is Aria. With Aria, finger movements directs your smartwatch.
Clever Pet uses your dog's morning meal and the time it spends at home to encourage interactions throughout the day. It starts out simple. Your dog will get a treat whenever she presses any of Clever Pet's buttons. Once she's got this down, Clever Pet makes her job a little bit tougher. Now she only gets a treat when she presses the button that's lit up. Once she's learned that, the game changes again. Clever Pet gradually teaches her to interact in more interesting ways, and she stays active and happy all day long. The really great thing is that this is all automatic. Clever Pet engages your dog even when you can't be home.
At Clever Pet, we're driven by compassion and curiosity to find a way to care for pets when they're alone and get a better sense for who they are. So whether you're looking to keep your pet healthy and happy or simply dealing with your dog's anxiety when you leave the house, Clever Pet adapts to meet your dog's needs. Clever Pet, engage idle paws.
Do you have the same problem I do? You arrange the furniture in your home just the way you like it,
But you can't move the light switches.
so now you need to call an electrician. Hey Kevin,
Hey man, what's up?
I need that light switch changed.
Oh, that one?
That one. I want a light switch right here, so I won't fall off the bed anymore, and I can turn on the light switch right now.
Whoa, how did you do that?
I also have a toddler, and I would like a switch lower so he can reach it. And I can turn on the switch like this. You used to think you need to tear out pieces of the wall and run additional wires, but now this is no longer necessary. You just need to open the package. No setting. Replace the existing light switch with this base switch. Then you can put the gecko switch wherever you want. And it's done. You can place an icon, lets you know what the gecko switch controls here. There are many icons to select from. The LED behind the icon lets you know when the light is on or off. make the bedroom light gradually brighten to wake you up, or make it to turn off with a time delay. 3, 2, 1. If you can't find the gecko switch, use the search function and it will beep. Oh, here it is. Hey. Do it now. Switch it up with the gecko switch and make your home and life exactly the way you like it.
Technology can help you protect and secure what is most important for you. Your health, your home, your belongings, your pets, and of course, your family. But suppose you can have all of these in only one device. Yes, only one. One device that will protect all of the important things in your life for you? Well, there is. Meet All-Be-One, the all-in-one personal security guardian. A small capsule packed with multiple sensors that can sense and monitor pretty much everything. And the best thing about it is that it's an open platform, so developers can create with it endless apps, just like the ones you have on your smartphone. So you can use All-Be-One in many ways. With its infrared technology, All-Be-One will warn you when someone enters your home or your office. And it will always keep track of your belongings. It will warn you when someone tries to steal your laptop. If you put the All-Be-One in a drawer, you will always know if it was opened in your absence. Your phone will only unlock when you are near it. It warns you if someone bumps into your car. It counts steps, calories, and distances. Long hours at work can prevent a moderate sun exposure to provide vitamin D to our skin. All-Be-One will advise you to get some sun. All-Be-One is also a wireless shortcut for emergency calls and enables you to determine your GPS location. All-Be-One will warn you when to put some sunscreen on your child during the day. It will warn you when your child wanders away from sight, or if you are looking for your pet. All-Be-One comes with an extended range connection, which needs charging only once in 2 months.
Ever since I was a kid, I've always loved science fiction props and weapons, and none more than the lightsaber. Like a moth to a flame, I've always been drawn to it. I started this company 7 years ago with one goal in mind: make awesome custom sabers. Now, almost a decade later, I've honed my craft and I make some of the finest custom sabers in the world. I get to live my childhood dream. And now you can too. Adaptive saber parts are an easy-to-use, modular system that lets anyone construct their very own movie-quality custom saber. We have lowered the barrier to entry. Now you don't need expensive machinery, soldering equipment, or years of prop building experience to make your very own custom saber. All you need is your imagination and our new adaptive saber parts. With our initial release, we will offer over 100 unique metal parts in 3 different finishes, putting millions of different design configurations at your fingertips. And every month we will release a new expansion set, making the possibilities endless. In addition, we will offer plug-and-play, no-solder electronics kits for upgrading your custom hilt to a dueling saber with a light-up blade, or a fully functional hero-level prop with lights, motion detection, and sound. Adaptive saber parts are a comprehensive system that lets anyone build a movie-quality prop. But these sabers aren't just for display.
I have been interested in wearable technology for a long time now. I mean, who hasn't? I've tried just about every smart glass there is, and the smart glass effort has been so unfocused, overpriced, impractical, and overcomplicated. I wanted to create something that is simple, useful, and affordable that works with the technology you already have. I'm Goro Kosaka, CEO and founder of Viewfind. And this is Viewfind.
With Viewfind, we wanted to do something different. We know smart glasses have some fundamental issues, from privacy to basic functionality. And really, it seemed to us that people already had the functionality they were looking for with their current technology.
People don't need another smartphone on their face. We carry so much technology with us every day, and it's only getting more powerful. Why not place that utility somewhere where you really want it?
Viewfind is a high-definition, clip-on display that can connect to anything with an HDMI output. Your smartphone, tablet, laptop, GoPro, drone, and much more. We've gone to great lengths to keep Viewfind as simple as possible. It has one button and 2 ports. It has no internal operating system requiring proprietary applications. It can attach to a wide variety of user glasses using an incredibly stable magnetic docking station that allows Viewfind to be both easily adjustable and easy to put on and take off.
And those are only consumer applications. Viewfind's utility in the workplace is equally diverse, with potential across countless fields. And because Viewfind is so streamlined, the possibilities for its use are virtually endless. With Viewfind, product value is user-generated, because instead of dictating use, it facilitates it.
With Viewfind, users can easily interface with crucial information while staying hands-free. Use it as a viewfinder for your GoPro to make sure you're capturing exactly what you want to capture. Use it as a convenient at-a-glance GPS or a way to watch videos privately on a crowded train. Use Viewfind as a rear-view camera for your motorcycle or bicycle, or simply to display fitness goals.
Best of all, because of its incredible simplicity, Viewfind is affordable and will retail for around $149.